In this tutorial on using the EPUB validator, we will go through the complete process of identifying, locating, and fixing errors in your EPUB files. Let's get started. First, let's open the EPUB validator. This is your primary tool for checking the integrity and validity of your EPUB files. The validator will scan your entire document and identify any issues that need to be addressed. Once the validation is complete, you will see an accordion view listing the count of errors in each file. Click any file, and it opens up to show the specific instances that need your attention. Each error entry provides crucial information to help you locate and fix the problem quickly. At the top, you can see the total error count. Click on the arrow to the right to expand all. The Expand All arrow is a toggle icon. Each line has the error information, the file path, the line number, and the column number. To fix an error, click on the Editor action. This opens the file in the editor. On the left, you will see some menu options. Click on EPUB Validator. The error report opens on the left. Notice that you can see both the error list and the EPUB side by side. This layout makes it much easier to work efficiently. The error states URL is invalid. Click on the line number information to go to the instance. The line and column information are also displayed in the bottom right. You can see that the attribute value is incomplete. Now, let's correct the error. Copy and paste the complete URL into the attribute value. Save the change when done. After saving, exit the editor. It will take you back to the EPUB Validator pop-up list. The list has refreshed after we corrected the error. To create an updated version of the EPUB, click on Validate EPUB shortcut. This updates the version of the EPUB and reruns the validator. The updated version of the EPUB file includes all the changes made this far. Repeat this process for all other errors that need to be resolved.